Hi, in this video we are going to see a recruitment notification from one of the government university. So in this one, the postgraduate as well as the graduate vacancies and the any graduate and any postgraduate vacancies are also there, and you can apply from any state from all over the India, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government job notifications. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your subjects or else if your requirement is not covered in this video, then please post your qualification or else whatever the job you are looking for. Okay, so please mention that one in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up in the next videos definitely if the requirements are there. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. So it is one of the central university in Gujarat. And from this one here we got the recruitment notification. Okay, so online applications of various non-teaching post class 3 and 4 or equivalent post to be filled in purely on temporary and the fixed tenure basis. The desirous candidate is required to apply online on or before 31st August 2021 till 5:30 p.m. Okay, so it is a link provided here, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video so that you will get all the details as well as the online application link also. And now we will see the number of posts and name of higher payment programs for appointment of non-teaching temporary post class 3 or equivalent post for a period of 11 months under higher payment programs. Okay, so total 20 different designations are there here. So please check down one by one carefully from the different institutes also. So faculty or institution and the name of the higher payment program. So Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Policy Research and International Studies. So here they require the program officer, research associate and assistant and administrative assistant. So here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And coming to the Faculty of Management Studies clerk and MHRM and BSW Faculty of Social Work clerk in account. Okay, and one more clerk position is also there. And here the clerk in account or store or account is mentioned, and the laboratory assistant and the field collector storekeeper, laboratory assistant in microbiology, environmental science, BCA, and the technical assistant, laboratory assistant, and temporary library clerk, and data entry operator clerk, and the clerk in account and library, data entry operator or computer assistant, library assistant or technical assistant, and library in charge, administrative officer, and assistant to library in charge clerk, research associate, temporary accounts clerk, and temporary data entry operator, and temporary program officer, temporary accounts assistant, right? So from the different sections here, the different designations are mentioned here, and the number of vacancies also you may check down in this table here. And now while coming to this individual designations, okay, we will check out the what we call number of what is the educational qualification and how much payment you will get, fine. And the number of post and number of higher payment programs for appointment of non-teaching temporary post class 4. In the above table, we saw the class 3 vacancies. Okay, these are the class 3 vacancies, and in this table you can see the class 4 vacancies. So here the peon cum sweeper and cook, peon, sweeper. Okay, laboratory attendant and laborers of botanical garden and field collector. Okay, fine. So these are the different designations, and while coming to the qualifications. For the program officer, a good academic record and a master's degree with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade. And out of this 55, 5% of relaxation is provided to the SC, ST. Okay, that means few categories. Here the 5% of relaxation is there that you may check down. And at least 1 year of relevant and specific experience in any academic institute or university or government or administration, preferably in the higher education field of similar nature. Fine. So these are all the points mentioned here. That means any post graduation with percentage requirement, 1 year of relevant experience. Fine. So you will get the 21,000 rupees per month, guys. And job description also mentioned here. Coming to the research associate, master's degree with 55% of marks in political science, international studies, public administration, defense and strategic studies, security studies, history, economics, law, or geography from an Indian university or equivalent degree. So minimum 1 year of teaching experience and or conducting the research. Fine. However, the requirement of 1 year experience will be relaxed to the candidates who are having the UGC net of, or I mean UGC net or else the Gujarat slate is there. Then no need of experience also. Directly with PG in these departments you can apply. So here the payment is 21,000 rupees per month. Fine. And next. So desirable, and the job description also mentioned here. So if you want, you may check out, guys. Coming to the administrative, any graduate with 55% of marks with basic computer knowledge. Okay, with basic computer knowledge. So it is the administrative assistant post, and the typing speed also must be required, 25 words per minute. Okay, so coming to the payment is 11,000 rupees per month. And clerk, data entry operator or computer assistant, any bachelor's degree with 50% of marks, 1 year work experience in a reputed institute or university is preferable. Okay, so if you're having the bachelor's degree, then also it's fine. With the English typing also required, and desirable is the Gujarati typing. Okay, so the candidates who have minimum 2 years of similar nature of experience, they will get the salary 10,500 rupees per month, or else if the experience is not there, you will get the 9,460 rupees per month. And coming to the accounts clerk, BCom with 50% of marks, so 9,460. Technical assistant, diploma in textile engineering or textile technology, 14,700 rupees per month. Lab assistant, BSc in botany or chemistry or physics or zoology, 9,460. Storekeeper, BSc with chemistry and 3 years of experience of laboratory assistant, 18,000 rupees per month. And coming to the research associate, so master's degree in history or political science or sociology or Hindi or English or Gujarati, computer literacy and working knowledge of MS Excel, and good communication and writing skills in English, Hindi and Gujarati, 15,000 rupees per month. And coming to the peon, field collector, laboratory attendant, okay, so for all these things 10th class or else 10 plus 2. And coming to the program officer in accounts, MCOM, 21,000 rupees per month. Fine. And few more specifications also mentioned here, you please check down. And coming to the next one, account assistant, MCOM, and administrative officer program, master's degree with at least 50% of marks. Okay, and 2 years of relevant experience. Fine. Administrative officer, any PG, 21,000 rupees per month. Okay, you will get the, I mean, you need the experience also for that one. So similarly, laboratory in charge, so master's degree with at least 55% of marks and the knowledge of computer application, command over the English knowledge and a good communication skill is preferable. Fine. So 15,000 rupees per month. This one also any master's degree. So like that, you please check down all the remaining, all the remaining is only 2 left, right? So assistant to library, bachelor's degree in library science and library assistant, master's degree with 55% of marks with library science as a specialization. Fine. So total these are the different designations and the qualifications, guys. I think it will be a wonderful opportunity. Why? Because here any graduation is there and any post graduation is also there. So check out your convenient one and then start applying, guys. The candidate shall be required to submit his or her candidature on online by the 31st August 2021 by 5:30. Okay, so these are all the details, and for your to get the accurate details and the complete details, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please check out, guys, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here from Unacademy side, one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.